bass is on maximum, a little bit lower, but let's see what the mega bass mode is doing. So the same song, but then with the mega bass. So again, Sony can do pretty decent sound with this one, but only till 70% volume. Above it, the bass is going down. Again, like with other Sony speakers, I don't really understand why they tune the speakers like this. I will take a look in the app if I can change it maybe. But again, the app of Sony isn't great either. Like the equalizer of them is really like only digital, changing the sound. So yeah, I don't know what it is with Sony, but the speakers always have this problem. Like when you put it on higher volumes, the bass and even like the mids are going away and the highs get too present. And I have to be honest, it finally sounds pretty decent under 70% volume, but above it, Sony can still not do it great out of the box. Maybe the equalizer can change it to a little bit better sound, but yeah, out of the box it's again not the greatest. So let's do some kind of other song. Maybe it also has to do with the songs. So let's see, this is a very short one. You can clearly see it on a passive radiator. When I'm on 60-70%, it moves a lot. But when I go to the higher volumes, so let's go a little bit higher, it moves less. So that's really something that I don't know what it is with Sony. Like the Xiaomi Bomber can do on 100% a lot of bass. Even the JBL Boombox 2 even had no problems on high volume. But somehow Sony has a DSP built in that limits the bass output on higher volume than 70% or 80%. It really depends on what kind of phone. So I don't know what it is exactly. I will definitely compare it with the Xiaomi Bomber. So maybe you guys can see the difference then a little bit more present, like with 70%, 100%. Maybe it's great for a comparison, but again, like the design, it's very great. Like this pressway with its fabric on, I didn't see that before, and I do like it. Like it gives some kind of like recycling experience. But yeah, let's see if maybe even the app can help. So the next video will definitely be to look if the equalizer app can change the sound to a little bit better bass level on higher volume. I will not tear down the fabric cover, because I know this one is a little bit harder than JBL's. Like, of course I can loose it up here, but the problem like with the Boombox 2 is you have the handle here, and so you can't really like get the fabric well off it without like removing parts. And I don't really like to do that a lot, because then you can break it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next one.